Governor Godwin Obaseki hit another milestone because, there have been series of cases against him as about a certificate forgery, especially from the APC and his fellow contestant and that is Pastor Sageze Yamo, and this case has been on for some time now, and they keep adjourning the case. And this time around, guess what? It was actually, should we say, a partial good news for the governor, because really the case is still on the table, but on another level. But this time around, I hope that you get excited by this report. But guys, before then, if you have not subscribed, please ensure you hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get updated anytime we drop a new video. Yes, it is very important, and don't forget to hit the like button, because that is the best and only way we get to know that you are right here with us and you are enjoying every bit of what we are giving to you. Okay, guys, without wasting much of your time, let us dive right into the details of this report. As it says that the Federal High Court in Abuja on Tuesday adjourned further hearing on the certificate forgery case the All Progressive Congress APC filed against Governor Godwin Obaseki signed down, that is indefinitely. That is obviously that the case has been adjourned indefinitely. So the hearing, nobody knows the time the next hearing is going to take place, unlike the last time that it was adjourned till 13th of December. But this time around, it has been adjourned indefinitely. Well, we don't know what the outcome of that indefinitely will be, and it can crop up anytime, and but I think for now it's just a time for the governor to relax. The adjournment followed an appeal marked CAABJCV/1072/2020, which Governor Obaseki lodged before the Abuja Division, the Court of Appeal. Obaseki had gone to the appellate court to challenge refusal of the trial court to expunge some paragraphs in APC's reply to a counter affidavit he filed in opposition to the pre-election suit against him. He therefore prayed the court, through his team of lawyers led by Mr. Ken Mozi Hassan, to stay further proceedings in the substantive suit pending the determination of the appeal. Though the APC and its chieftain in Edo State, Mr. Edobo Williams, who is the second plaintiff in the matter, opposed Obaseki's request. However, trial Justice Ahmed Mohammed, in a ruling on Tuesday, said he was minded to adjourn the case signed down, that is indefinitely. Justice Mohammed held that going by the judicial hierarchy, the High Court ought to tarry a while, having been notified of the pendency of the appeal, noting that the record of the appeal had already been transmitted and served on all the parties. Justice Mohammed said the High Court was not ready to embark on a collision course with the appellate court, where a lower court aware of the existence of application for stay. It will be wrong to the trial court to proceed to hear the suit the application is seeking to stay proceedings on. This court must defer to the Court of Appeal. This court will not embark on a collision course to the Court of Appeal. This court will abide by whatever further direction the Court of Appeal may give. This suit is hereby adjourned, signed down, to await the Court of Appeal's decision on the first defendant's application for stay of further proceedings, Justice Mohammed held. The plaintiff had, through their lawyer, Chief Akin Olujimi-san, decried that their pre-election suit against Obaseki has a lifespan of 180 days that will expire by early January 2021. Relying on Section 285, subsection 8 of the 1999 Constitution, as amended, the plaintiffs pleaded the court not to allow Obaseki's interlocutory appeal to truncate the hearing of the certificate forgery case against him. The APC and Williams had in the suit marked FHC/B/CS/74/2020 alleged that Obaseki lied about his academic qualifications. The plaintiff accused the governor of forging the university certificate he presented to the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) in aid of his qualification for the governorship election that was held in Edo State on September 19th. They equally told the court that there were discrepancies in the subjects that Obaseki claimed he passed in his West African Examination Council (WAEC) examination and subjects in his testimonials. So, consequently, they are praying the court to declare that Obaseki's claim in his INEC Form EC9 at column C, sworn on June 29, 2020 at the Federal Capital Territory High Court Registry, to the effect that he obtained from the University of Ibadan in 1979 a Bachelor of Arts degree in Classical Studies is false and contrary to Section 31, subsection 5 and 6 of the Electoral Act 2010. They also want the court to declare that Obaseki lied on oath when he swore to an affidavit on June 29, 2020 that he worked in AfriVest Limited from 1994 to 2014 when he retired. So obviously you can see the number of counts and charges that these people have actually counted against the governor of Edo State. But good that all of these cases would die a natural death in January 2021 if they are not held and settled now that it's really fresh. But as it is, there's a lot that is working against the other parties, especially the APC and ADP, that is pushing forward to ensure that the governor is, sent out of office for him to be replaced by whoever wants to take over from him, especially his main opposition, that is Pastor Sage Ize Iyamu and the All Progressive Congress. They are working tooth and nail, working effortlessly to ensure that they send the governor away from his seat that he has occupied, because it was very painful to them to have lost that election during the September 19th poll. But all the same, guys, you've heard it all. Thank God that at the moment the case is signed down. That is, it is still indefinite for them to hear. So we just hope that things continue like this, and God help the governor to continue the good work that he has started in Edo State. Thank you so much, guys, for listening. What do you have to say? Please drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do have a pleasant time. Bye for now.